crude blocking, but I don't have my jack stands here, so that'll do. I let some weight off the van onto the blocks and screwed the 2 pins, 1, 2 here. There's the first pad. Okay, I put some caliper grease on the pin. You can see it there. Slide it in, just turn it a little bit. You're going to have some excess coming out, but that's okay. You can just wipe that off later. I got my C-clamp ready. I'm going to push back in the caliper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up the brake fluid here, so because when I start pushing on it, something's going to come out. Okay, there's the 4 pads. They're all the same. A little bit of wiggling can get them in there. Pushing the piston back to make room for the new pads. Just tighten it up just a little bit here. Okay, that one's in there. Have to give it a little tap. By pushing the calipers in, you see how that brake fluid has rose, but it didn't go over. So now I'm going to put the cap on it. You got to push the brake fluid back into the calipers properly, otherwise when you first start off you won't have no brakes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start it up and pump it up a few times. See, it goes right to the floor, and then you pump it up a few more times. There, it gets hard now.